So here I'm going to show you what happened when people hire the cheapest guy or the incompetent guy. So I'll show you first the bad jobs that you see here, and then I'm going to show you a proper job. So first of all, here they added the vent that you see here, and the vent they use drywall screws that you see here. So those are for indoor, not for outdoor. Also, they put the vent just on top of the shingles. It should not be like that. So all this area should be under the shingles. Now I'll show you how it's done, so that way you can compare when you're hiring someone. Always ask pictures of everything. Here, this is a disaster. Water can seep inside everywhere. The same thing here. There is no boot, no nothing. So see the big holes here? You can have a lot of water going inside. So here we have another problem. Light, floodlight. They just screw it on the roof, and that's it. Nobody cares about anything. People working. So this is the proper job. So as you can see, you have the vent, and you see most of the lip is under the shingles. That is how it should be. And just here a little bit is out. That is fine. I don't like much the nails here. I will use glue instead, but this looks much better than the other one, that one that you see over there. Here, same thing. You see, you have the boot. You see, you have only one nail here, and everything is under the shingles. That is how it should be. So here, I'll show you another one. For instance, this one, I don't see any nail. Much better. So you see, you have the boot. So here, same thing. So that is how it should be done. But people they don't know. They hire the cheapest guy in town, and these are the results. More water damage, and if you call them, they're not going to come back because they don't even know how to do the job properly. That is the sad part. So I'm here on the customer working on this. So if you want to keep learning, you can go to my playlist and my YouTube channel. You can see all my videos about different topics if you want to keep learning. And if you want to hire me, all the information is in the video description. So I keep working on this property, and see you next time. Thanks.